So it's my great honor and privilege to take you on a little tour of the Divine Healing app. Um, really honored to be able to share this with you and just make it a lot easier for you to access this amazing work anywhere you go. It easily fits on your phone, um, tablet, and you can just navigate so quickly. This happens to be a tablet that's about 10 years old, so even on older tablets, you can navigate easily. It's fast loading, and of course you can use it on the computer as well. Once you have access to it, it's downloaded. You don't need to access the internet, so you could have your phone on airplane mode, or you don't have to have access to the internet to use the manual. So let's just kind of take a little tour here. Whatever level that you're qualified up to is a level you'll obviously purchase, and all the way up to 6 manuals are in this one system if you're qualified up to that level. So levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then clearing the human blueprint. So I'm more of a kind of a visual psychic, so I like to have a visual map. Been working with clients now for about 10 years in this work. I use a page like this when I'm not sure where to next go with the client. I come here to this page and I sit and see what lights up or what pulls me in. You may have a different way that your channel works, but for the visual people out there, this is great. And let's say I get drawn to go to level 2. So I click level 2, it's going to go to the cover page. And then when I go to the next page, I'll have the directory page right here. And all these are hot links all the way down. So these will just zip and go right to wherever we want to go. So we want to go to light activation of the DNA. Click, boom, you're there right away. And up at the top, there's some buttons in order to, a lot of times we want to go to the original time chart or the emotions and where in the body. These are all, and through all the levels you end up using these quite a bit. So make those very easy to access. And let's actually take a look here at, once you start working through the pages, you'll notice in the bottom, it'll always tell you where you are. So we're in level 2 right now. You can see that it's lit up. And you have whatever levels, again, you're qualified up to, they're going to be down here at the bottom. So here's your nav bar. Click, go into level 3, and let's go to energizing spinal gateways. And you can also see we added some beautiful artwork in just to kind of beautify it and do what we can to just share the love and light that Divine Healing is. And we've added extra buttons. You can see here, you've got the top nav buttons, the bottom nav buttons, so now you have extra buttons that specifically correspond to anything Elmira has added as far as questions with the command code. And there's a few times where I've added some just from using things a lot. I'll actually show you that. For instance, let's see here. Yeah, I'm doing religious programs. Let me go to that one. So I don't know why, but I tend to attract a lot of people that we go through this. I guess I've gone through it a lot myself and have added in past life deaths, and you can free yourself from past life programs because these seem to be somewhat intertwined with a lot of the work I'm doing. So, just from experience of using this, and along with, of course, Elmira's, all her creation of this with all the other contributors, just knowing, where you often may feel that's, the connection of the charts, just to make it easy for you. So, there's these extra buttons. Let me show you a couple places where the extra buttons really, to get into the higher levels, like blissful sleep, there's a lot of links you can see here, so that you can just instantly go, again, wherever you're guided. And let's say we went to, light activation DNA, and we want to come right back to blissful sleep. We would do this, come down here, click on level 5, and we click on blissful sleep, and we're right back there. So you can get back to things pretty quickly. And it's, you know, when you do this work a lot, it's amazing how helpful this is to be able to, especially with clearing the human blueprint. As an example, when you're in here and you're on a particular place, like let's go to level. There's these different methods. So here's an example: core belief working method. There's quite a few steps. There's 15 different steps. You're really going to many places to go through these 15 steps within the manual itself. And up at the top, it's very easy to just come right back to this method as it's up here. So you've got method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 different long methods in this clearing the human blueprint. It's beautiful, but it is in depth. Anyone that's used this level knows it's you really bounce around a lot. So I've done everything I could to for my own use of using it to make it as simple as possible to navigate. And you know, if you're not up in the higher levels yet, you're just on level 1. It's still very beautiful. We've again added quite a bit to it, and just making it easier to navigate is really helpful. You know, one thing I think with the interference chart, let me go to that real quick. Dark energies and dark forces comes up quite often when I'm working with clients. And right down here, you can go to the main low frequency programs. I highlighted 1 through 4 for those of you that use this, because this is what Almira guides you to use. And you can click interference and go right back there. So even at level 1, it's still, again, designed to make it a lot easier for you. I think another one I wanted to show is level 5, vortexes. Yeah, again, you've got different places. Wherever Almira recommends to go, there's a button either there or it will be represented up on top. So anything that's represented in text will have either a button on the page or up top. Again, you're guided to what program or what manual you're in at the bottom here, and you can easily, again, go between all the manuals, all the directory pages very easily, and just you think and you're there. I mean, it's beautiful. And if you come to a place where you're at a little bit of a loss, you're not sure where to go next, you can just come back to the home tab and see where you feel pulled. Really hope you enjoy utilizing Divine Healing more now with this app making it easier for you.